Hi, today I'm going to show how to use the 3Doodler pen to turn this picture of a mushroom cloud into a 3D printed model. First thing to do is we're going to need 8 ribs to do the outline of the mushroom cloud, so we'll just draw them out quickly. So I've drawn a profile, an outline of half the mushroom cloud, and I'm just going to cut this out with scissors. Now I'm going to need 8 ribs to make the mushroom cloud, so I'm going to take my template and draw 8 outlines on this sheet of paper that I'm going to use to print them up. Okay, so now I've got 8 outlines on the sheet of paper, and I'm going to use the 3Doodler to put my plastic outlines on. So now I've drawn 3 fireballs, or the upper part, in yellow, so it matches the diagram. And I've doubled up the thickness around the corner with yellow. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put red to double up the thickness on the upper and lower surface to get that red effect. So now I've added red, so the outside is doubled up on yellow, and then I've got a layer of red and yellow for the upper and lower surfaces of the fireball, so it more closely matches the picture. Okay, now I'm going to add the leg of the mushroom cloud in black. Now to get this graying effect at the foot of the mushroom cloud, I'm going to be putting down some white at each foot. So I've made the stalk of the mushroom cloud a double thickness of black, but a single thickness of black here, and I'm going to put down white right behind it to give it that gray effect. Now that I've got the 8 ribs done, I'll just carefully peel them all off the paper. Perfect side, and I'll join them together in a minute here. Now that my 8 sides are done, I'm going to start joining them together. First one to join is the 2 opposing sides. Just join them together at the top. Get a good bit laid down there to join them together good, and then do a little bit more in the middle right here. And just let it harden. And then I'm going to join one to the top. And just make sure it's straight up at 90 degrees. And then join that in the middle too. And just let it harden before you let go. And make sure that it's still at 90 degrees before you let go. And there we go. I got 3 sides done. And I'll put one right here next. So just hold it so it's 45 degrees, so it's in the middle between the one on the bottom and the one standing straight up. And then join it in the middle right here. And then join this one at 45 degrees. And there we go. One side is done, and I've just got to join 3 more on the back side. And this is where the helping hands, these are called helping hands, and they're used in the electronics assembly business. And they can be used to grip this thing so that it won't move. Okay, it's finished, and it seems to be hard. I'll take it off there and see how it looks. So I've got the outline of my mushroom cloud, and I just have to put circles around it to give it the form. Okay, now I'm going to draw circles to go around and hold the ribs together. So they just join on like so. And just keep doing these circles. I'm going to do them on the yellow, and then I'll switch to red for the above and the below, and I'll switch to black down here. And it's fairly easy to do. It's just a matter of keeping gravity to work with you. So you hold it here, start from the bottom and work up, and just touch it as you get to the top and make sure that it doesn't sag too much. Now that I've got the yellow sides put on, I'm going to put on the red on the top and the red on the bottom. Now that I've got the red and the yellow on there, I'm going to put the black on the bottom of the mushroom cloud. And there we go, a finished 3D model of a mushroom cloud.